When it comes to enhancing your Python development experience, Visual Studio Code offers a plethora of extensions that can make your coding journey smoother, more efficient, and more enjoyable. In this lecture, we're going to explore some essential VS Code extensions that every Python developer should know about. They will help you write cleaner and more maintainable code. So let's dive into the world of VS Code extensions for Python development. Let's kick things off with the most essential extension for Python development in VS Code, the Python extension by Microsoft. It is designed to provide all the features you need to write, debug, and maintain your code. With Python by Microsoft, you will enjoy advanced code completion and syntax highlighting through IntelliSense. Linting capabilities will help you catch potential errors early, while the integrated debugging support allows you to troubleshoot your code efficiently. Moreover, unit testing support for popular frameworks ensures your code is robust and reliable. Now that we understand the importance of the Python by Microsoft extension, let's install it on your VS Code. First, launch your VS Code editor. You can do this by double-clicking the VS Code icon on your desktop or by searching it in your Windows Start menu. On the left sidebar, click on the Extensions icon. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl-Shift-X on your keyboard. In the search bar at the top of the Extensions view, type @PopularPython to filter for popular Python extensions. The first result should be the Python extension by Microsoft. Click on the Install button next to the Python extension by Microsoft. This will automatically download and install the extension. Sometimes VS Code might prompt you to reload the editor to activate the extension. Click the Reload button if you see this prompt. Once installed, you should see the Python extension active in the Extensions view. With these steps, you now have the Python extension by Microsoft installed and ready to enhance your coding experience in VS Code. After the foundational Python extension by Microsoft, let's move on to Pylance. It's worth noting that when you install the Python extension, Pylance and the Python debugger are automatically included. Pylance enhances your coding experience with fast and feature-rich code completions and type-checking capabilities that help ensure your code is type-safe. Additionally, it provides rich type information and detailed documentation, making it easier to maintain your code. The next recommended extension is Python Debugger, which is effortlessly included if you have already installed the Python extension by Microsoft. It enhances your debugging process by allowing you to set and manage breakpoints with ease. You can view the call stack to understand the flow of your program and inspect variables in real time to see their values and how they change. This makes troubleshooting your code much more straightforward. The next tool is Python Type Hint. It helps you add and check type hints in your code, making your code more readable. You don't need to worry about this extension right at the beginning because you can always add it later as you become more comfortable with Python. Similarly, the Python Path extension is an excellent tool for managing Python paths in your projects, ensuring your modules and packages are correctly referenced. However, it's not essential to have this extension installed right away. Focus on getting started with the basics first, and remember, you can always install and configure this extension later as your projects grow more complex. The next essential tool that can really enhance your Python coding experience is the Black Formatter. Now, you might be wondering, what makes Black so special? Well, Black is known as the uncompromising code formatter. Its primary goal is to provide consistent formatting for your Python code, making it more readable and eliminating those pesky debates over coding style. First and foremost, Black enforces a uniform coding style throughout your code base. This consistency can greatly improve readability and maintainability. Furthermore, Black is designed to be fast and efficient, even when dealing with large code bases. Its uncompromising nature means it makes formatting decisions for you, allowing you to focus more on writing great code and less on styling it. Now let's get Black set up in your Visual Studio Code environment. In your Extensions view, type Black Formatter into the search bar. you'll see the extension appear in the list of results. Click the Install button on the Black Formatter extension. This will download and install the extension into your VS Code. With Black installed, we need to configure it to ensure it works correctly. Open the Settings by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the VS Code window and selecting Settings, or by pressing Ctrl-, You see two options of User and Workspace. It's important to understand the difference between User and Workspace settings in VS Code. User settings apply globally across all projects and workspaces. These settings are great for preferences you want to apply universally, like font size or editor theme. On the other hand, workspace settings are specific to the project you're currently working on. These settings are stored in the .vs Code folder within your project directory. This is particularly useful for settings that might vary between different projects, such as Python interpreter paths or specific formatter configurations like Black. I select Workspace since code formatting is often specific to a project. In the Settings search bar, type Formatter to filter the settings related to Formatter. Find Editor, Default Formatter, and select Black Formatter as the default code formatter for your current project folder. To make sure your code is automatically formatted whenever you save a file, search for Format On. And check the box to enable Format on Save. You can also check Format on Paste and Format on Type if you like. By installing and configuring Black Formatter, you're ensuring that your Python code is always clean and consistent. Okay, so far we've explored some essential tools specifically tailored to enhance your Python development. Each of these extensions plays a crucial role in making your Python coding more efficient and robust. Now let's shift our focus to a few additional extensions that, while not exclusive to Python, significantly improve your overall coding experience in VS Code. Let's continue with the Material Icon theme. The Material Icon theme extension is a fantastic tool that adds a rich set of icons to your VS Code interface. These icons help you quickly identify different file types and improve your overall navigation experience. Let's walk through the steps to set it up. In the Extensions view, search for Material Icon Theme. Find it in the search results and click on it to open the Extension Details page. Then click on the Install button to download and install this tool. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to activate the theme. Click on the Set File Icon Theme button, and in the menu that opens, choose Material Icon Theme. Now you have it, and this visual upgrade helps improve your workflow by making your file types easily recognizable at a glance. And the final tool is the Numbered Bookmarks, which is a great productivity booster. It allows you to set bookmarks and jump to them with ease. This can be incredibly helpful for managing large codebases and quickly accessing important sections of your code. Let's go through the steps to set it up. In the Extensions view, search for Bookmarks. In the results, find the Numbered Bookmarks extension developed by Alessandro Fragnani and install it. Since I have already installed it, I see the Uninstall option instead. Now that the extension is installed, let's see how to use it. To set a bookmark, move your cursor to the line of code where you want to place the bookmark. Then press Ctrl-Shift-1 to set bookmark number 1. You can set up to 9 bookmarks from 1 to 9. To navigate to a bookmark, for example, bookmark number 1, simply press Ctrl-1. To remove a specific bookmark, navigate to the bookmarked line and press the same key combination used to set it. This tool will help you navigate through your code more efficiently, making your workflow smoother. That's all for this lecture. So we've introduced a variety of powerful extensions that can significantly enhance your Python development experience in VS Code. We started with essential Python-specific tools like Python by Microsoft, Pylance, Python Debugger, Python TypeHint, Python Path, and Black Formatter, which streamline your coding, debugging, and code management processes. We then explored more general extensions, such as Material Icon Theme and Numbered Bookmarks, which improve your overall workflow and productivity. By integrating these extensions into your development environment, you'll find your coding experience more efficient, organized, and enjoyable. Remember, while some of these tools are crucial from the start, others can be added as you grow more comfortable with your projects. Keep experimenting and customizing your VS Code setup to find what works best for you.